Welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm going to show you how to install your star on your Mercedes Benz. It's for the W204 and this one is the star that illuminates. Alright, so I have already gone through and installed the star. I'm just going to use a battery just to show you that it actually works. There we go, see, lights up beautifully using a 9-volt battery. And some of the common things that persons ask in the installation. Alright, to remove the grill, from the car, there is this plastic housing that you first have to remove. There's two clips. You just press down on either side here, and then you turn a little knob here. Mine is broken, and I normally remove the air filter housing first, put it up there, and that is easy removed by clipping down on either sides here to remove them first, and then pulling them out of the duct right there. Okay. Alright, the star, this is the old star. You might ask why I didn't get the black one. Those are super hard to find, and these are for half the cost. Alright, to remove the star from the grill, there are some clips on all around it. You just put your flathead screwdriver in the corners of these clips and just ease them up, and then you just push out the grill from either side. To remove the grill, there are two holes right here there are two connectors that hold it against the bumper. You just ease those up, and then you firmly push in on either side here. Push these in. See? Once you ease these up, and as you see, they start releasing already. I'm not going to pull it off because I already pulled it off. Alright, so that's how you get the grill off. Alright, the connections, I am going to wire these to my underglow kit so I can decide if I want to turn them on or off. Most persons wire them straight to the fuse box, so that when the vehicle is on, they automatically come on. Try not to use any of the fuse that is related to like the airbag system or any of those systems, where you don't want to compromise those. So that's how you install your star. At the end, I'm going to show you when it lights up. See how it looks. Thank you guys for watching the video. Just remember to like, subscribe, and follow the channel. This is Chris from GB Cars. See you guys in the next video.